Hey guys, thanks for watching all my videos and thanks for the support. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep making them because it seems like you guys are loving it, and yeah, I'm loving making it. Hey guys, don't forget to go and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Make sure you guys stay tuned till the end because I always have some little bloopers and I'm sure you guys will love that one. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a home remedy for apple cider vinegar hair. Apart from there being so many health benefits from apple cider vinegar, you can also do, hair rinse with it, which I'm going to demonstrate for you guys today. This is a home remedy treatment that can provide you with some relief if you suffer with itchy scalp like me, something that seriously I can't live without. So the benefits are the vitamin B and C, also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Dull, dry, brittle and frizzy hair tend to be more alkaline, so this treatment is going to help to rebalance the pH level of the scalp, give you relief from that sort of itchy scalp, hair breakage, dull hair, frizzy hair. It's going to rehydrate everything and bring it all back to life. So it's a natural treatment and there's no chemicals, which is a bonus as well. Before you get started, there's a couple of things you want to grab. Firstly, you want to grab your apple cider vinegar. This is the star of the video. So yeah, I obviously love this shit because look at the bottle. You can drink it, do like so many health benefits inside and outside. Also, you want to grab a little sauce bottle. I got this from Daiso. Your half purified water and half apple cider vinegar. Also, you want to get some cling wrap. That's after you put your treatment in. You're going to wrap your hair up in that. And then I just also wrap it in a hair wrap. And lastly, you're going to need a paddle brush. Mine is a bamboo one from the Body Shop. And this is to help remove all that dead skin and residue on your scalp. So make sure you grab all of that before you start your treatment because you don't want to be running backwards and forwards, grabbing all those bits and pieces. So now I've shown you guys what you need before you get started. Let's go to my favorite place. And we're back in the bathroom again. Right, so when you get your paddle brush, I'm using a bamboo one from the Body Shop. These are really great. What this will do is it's going to take off all the dead skin and really lift all the dirt and oils off your scalp. So you just want to go in and really scratch your scalp all over prior to shampooing or anything. You want to do this first off to really lift all that dead skin and oils and dirt. You want to lift all the dirt and dead skin off. So you want to do this for about 2 minutes. Probably best to do it in the shower because if you're like me, I have a lot of dandruff and yeah, when I do this, it goes everywhere. So you want it to go in the shower so it's sort of easy to clean up. So yeah, 2 minutes all over your whole scalp. When you first start doing it, it kind of hurts. Well, it hurt me because I guess I got so much dandruff. So yeah, give it a real good brush, scratch, whatever you want to call it. It's really getting in there. Going in all different directions, back and front, side to side. Like I said, you just really want to get it in there and lift off all that dead skin and dirt. Yeah, as you can see, I'm going in all different directions to make sure I'm not missing any areas. So yeah, this first stage is to lift all the dead skin and all that dirt off your scalp, just so the apple cider vinegar can really penetrate into your scalp and do its magic. Alright, so I think that's been about 2 minutes. I've really given it a good scraping. Alright, before you use your apple cider vinegar rinse treatment, give it a really good shake. Make sure it's all mixed through. And then I'm going to go ahead and start my shower. And I'm going to do 2 shampoos, and then I'll show you how to put in the apple cider vinegar rinse. Make sure you guys stay tuned till the end because I always have some little bloopers and I'm sure you guys will love that one. Alright, now I've finished washing my hair. I've done 2 shampoos like I said, and I'm going to go ahead and put my apple cider vinegar rinse in. And I'm just going to use half of this treatment. My hair's not too long. If you have long hair, probably use the whole bottle. I'm just going to use half. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour that all over my scalp. And yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. Just in little sections. Holy shit, it's so cold. Normally I use like a little bit more water. Oh. So you want to go ahead and just rub all of that in. Really getting it into your scalp. It's such a lovely smell. My partner loves it. He's filming now saying how much he loves it. Ew. So yeah, just really get it all in there. It's like instant relief. You can feel it working. It's really getting in there and feels like it's eating away at that dandruff. Now I'm just going to rub it in sort of like a conditioner. Just rubbing it all in to make sure it's getting every inch of my scalp. And then I'm just going to go ahead and grab my cling wrap. This is why you need your cling wrap. And yeah, like I said before, make sure you have everything organized before you start your treatment. And then I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this around. Oh. Making sure I'm covering all of my hair. I'm just tucking it up under there. And now I'm going to grab my hair wrap and I'm just going to wrap it all up. And that just keeps it all in there. So we'll leave this in for an hour and then we'll rinse that out. While I'm just marinating away in my apple cider vinegar treatment, I'm going to just pop a face mask on. I thought I'd tell you guys a little bit about what's happening under here while I do that. I'm going to pop on my favorite mask, Dermalogica Multivitamin Recovery or Power Recovery Mask. So yeah, anyway, while I'm doing this, just let you guys know a couple of things. The apple cider vinegar treatment is actually pH balancing my scalp, and you can kind of feel it eating away at everything. And you can feel it stimulating your circulation, which is a really good thing, especially if you're worried about hair loss. Even if you're not worried about hair loss, it's a really good thing to stimulate your scalp. This whole process will stimulate your scalp, help to relieve that irritation from your dry scalp. Honestly, it makes your hair feel so soft. And best of all, your scalp is completely relieved. So guys, just finished applying my multivitamin power recovery mask, And yeah, I'm just gonna go and chill out for a bit, and I'll see you guys soon. It's been about an hour, guys, so I'm gonna rinse out my apple cider vinegar hair rinse, and I'm gonna chuck a hair treatment in just to help with the smell. So yeah, gonna rinse this out. Alright, so I'm just going to put in a hair mask. I'm using the Kerastase Elixir Ultimate. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put that straight into my hair. Just going to comb that through. So I'll leave this for about 10 or 15 minutes and then I'll rinse it out. So guys, I've just finished rinsing out my hair treatment, and honestly I really can't smell it anymore. Maybe my partner can, but yeah, I can't. Yeah, but it's looking really healthy. All that like irritation has gone. You guys should feel the relief. Like if you guys suffer from like dandruff or itchy scalp or any sort of scalp irritation, honestly try this apple cider vinegar rinse. It really gives you that relief. So that completes my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed all of it. Hey guys, don't forget to go and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Everybody needs to do a little bit of self-care, you know, so how about you do it? So come and try our DIY treatment at home. I need the clean rug. Can you grab the clean rug? I need the clean rug. Can you grab the clean rug? Film crew needs to be ready when the
Okay, it's ready now.
Celebrity's ready.
It's filming.
All right. Everyone needs to do some self-love at home, and why not? All these treatments are so easy and DIY. Yeah.